Hello and welcome guys to this interesting session of .NET Core 6. In this session we are going to implement Entity Framework Core with SQLite in Blazor Server application. Guys, few days back I created a session to create a Blazor desktop application using .NET Core with 10 commands and 2 lines of code. If you miss this session, I will give the link on video description as well as the I button. Please check it out. And if somebody will ask why is SQLite in Blazor? SQLite is a lightweight SQL database which can support the embedded application. So here I created a desktop applications. You learn how to create desktop application. Now you learn how to create your own lightweight SQLite implementation. Now let's go create your own application, own project, right? So guys, without wasting any more times, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notification. And if you ended up liking my video, give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. So for today's session, I'm going from scratch. I'm going to create a new project which is a Blazor server application. I'm going to copy paste few class or models actually. So I'm going to give EF SQL Lite demo. Next, and no need of HTTPS for 6.0. Click on create. First of all, we will run the application, then we will pass design for a insert operation and displaying data. Next, we will go for our functionality. And guys, after completing this session, I'm going to give this source code on the Google Drive and give the link in video description, so you can also download and check it out. So so you can see all the pages are there. So run the applications. So application got run, you can see, right? Now stop the application from running and let's design our application. So here I am going to create one more folder, and which will be add new folder with models. Here I am going to add a model which will be product model, right? And inside product model I will put some properties, which is for now I'm copy pasting this one, a product ID which will be GUID, product name, okay, and price. Next, go to our index.razor component. Here I will remove everything, and okay, so SQLite EF core demo, right? Next, inside the code section I have a error message, and each message is true or false. And here I am declaring a product model and adding the using statement. Okay, done. Product, and this is our on initialize async, and this is the submit. While submit it will work. Let's design. So here what I did, I added an edit form which will be my product, which is this one, my product model. On submit async tags I have created. Next, here is messages. It will display message. Here a product name, product price, binding the value product name, product price. Let's run this. Okay, without running also we can display our message. What we will, without running also we can display our UI. How? Go to the package console. Here we can write command .NET watch run debug. It will take a second. Okay, what is saying? MS builds huge. Okay, leave it. Now run the application. Okay, if everything is fine, We'll go and we will add the entity NuGet packages and do our database context. For that, actually, we need three in the NuGet package: entity framework core, SQLite, design, and tools. So you can see our product name, product price. Once I enter submit, hit and submit, it will display here. So for this, let's go to NuGet package solution and quickly install this one. Microsoft.entity framework core. Here I am using 6.0, so I will select 6.0, install. It will accept for yeah, accept, and next one will be my design. Let's install this one for 6.0 also. Accept, and next one is tools. Guys, for creating this kind of video, it's really takes time and efforts. Please do subscribe. So many people are watching and but not subscribing. Please do subscribe. It will not ask you any kind of money or any time. Just hit a button. Please do subscribe. Okay, we have added NuGet design, SQLite, and tools. Done. Now, next task is we will go and are offsetting our database context. So we have added our connection string, default connection, data source equal to demo.db. Now let's go to the model section. Here are our data context class. So here I'm adding a data context which will be inheriting from DB context. Okay. So if we alt enter, it will entity from our core. We can create a constructor option. Okay. Next, public data DB set, right? DB set product model. Okay, products. But in the product model, we need to add a key. Entity framework always required a key for table, right? Done. Now go to package management console, clear the screen. Here are r-migration fast DB. Taking time for fast time, build succeeds, great. Unable to create data concept for different. Okay, I think I missed this line of code, builder.server db context, right? Now run the same thing again, add migration. I think it will work now. Yes, now we can write update dash database. It will update the database. Next we will create our service. Great. Done. Close this CS file. This is our data context. This close this one. Next go to we have a thing called data. Okay, here let's add our one more service will be DB services. Okay, let's create a counter. Okay, here I can add data context, right? Same thing I can write here to initialize. Next, I have added two methods here. One is save data, which is accepting product model. Next product, I am creating a new GUID and add product.add, then save changes. Next one is get data. I am directly returning. Also save data also directly returning the list. Now save this and we need to inject this. Okay, to inject this, we need to go to program.cs file here, particular build.service dot add scope, right? Now we'll come to our index. Here also we need to inject by telling inject db service db. It will ask for the using statement. Okay, done. Now straightforward on submit I can write db dot save data and it will be taking product, right? But it will returning a list straightforward. In the product list also I can directly write db dot get data. Okay. And one more thing, to display the message, actually particularly we can, after submission we can write like this: is message equal to true and data saved successfully, which will be handled by this particular line of code. Now you can see db is created. Now run the application. So you see, okay, for viewing this kind of db with SQLite db, you need to install SQLite Studio. It's a lightweight actually studio also. You can install this one. Okay, so this is, you can see nothing is added. Let's give product name. So let's give mobile and price will be 20,000. Submit. Data successfully, you can see here added, and here you can see laptop. We can give 30,000. Submit. We can give desktop 50,000. Submit. Right? Inserting. Close the application. Again run it. Now we have one more command. Actually I was doing that when it was working and I'm not sure why it is not working. Let's see. .NET watch run debug. So I closed. Again you can see data is coming. So data is saving in the DB also. Stop the application. Go to package manager. Clear the screen. Here I'm adding .NET watch run debug. Okay. I will let you know in my next session, guys. Why it is. Actually, it will run the application, Blazor server application without debug. Okay, we'll cannot find. We'll see. So, guys, this is all about your SQLite Entity Framework Core and Blazor Server App. I hope you like this session. If you do, give me a like, share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.